guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing a Target haul. This has all kinds of stuff in it. If you follow me on my social medias, you know this Target haul has been a little bit of an issue. I ordered $250 worth of stuff in a point of being low and I had so much trouble with it. I'll talk about it later, so we can go ahead and get into the haul. First, we're going to be starting with the boring stuff, things that aren't so exciting, and that's going to be like household stuff, and then we're going to get into the clothes. These are still basically coming out of the box. So the first thing we have here is this Snuggle Detergent. I love this stuff. This is the Super Fresh, and it's just fabric softener, but this line smells so good. I also buy the fabric softener sheets, and I got something else from this line. It's just one of my favorite scents ever. I love the way it makes my clothes smell. So this is my like third or fourth time of purchasing this, I think. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend. Going along with that, I got these little beads. I needed some more fabric like scent boosters, I can't think of the word, and so I'm trying these. These are just little wax things. I don't actually know what they are, but they have the same smell and I love this smell, so definitely excited to have that for my clothes, just a little extra to make them smell good. Okay, well, I tried taking this out of the bag, but it has a zip tie on it, so I can't. That's why it looks like this. But this is just an all-purpose cleaner. This is the Everspring Down to Earth all-purpose cleaner in citrus and basil. I saw somebody else talking about this on one of their Target hauls, and conveniently I needed some new cleaner, so I grabbed this. Super excited to have this. Another household item cleaner is this Squirt and Mop, which is by Method. I have this. I got it from one of my Grove Collective boxes in a different scent, and I really liked it. This is Spearmint Sage. I think it smells really good, but I love having this to clean our floors with because we have like laminate flooring in our house, and I love this stuff, and this one smells really good. The next couple things are things I got mostly because they were on Ibotta. If you guys don't use Ibotta, definitely do so. I will leave my referral link in the description box below. I think you get some sort of promo for that. I'm not sure. I'll leave it in the description box when I leave my link. But Ibotta is just a cashback app, and I use it all the time. Not sponsored, I swear, but because I was going on a little spending thing, I decided I might as well get cash back, so these were on there. The first two things I got here are this deodorant. It was buy one get one free. These are the Secret Outlast. I realized they gave me the same ones, which I was supposed to get different ones, but that's okay. And so these I just got buy one get one free on the app. So super excited about that. You can never have enough deodorant, especially if you sweat a lot like me. The next thing are these Clean and Clear makeup remover wipes. These are the watermelon ones. I've not tried these yet. I really like the lemon line because it's yellow, first of all. I like lemons. So I decided I wanted to give this a try, and there was cash back on it from Ibotta, so I snagged these. The next thing that I got is a new toothbrush. Jacob actually got one of these a couple, probably about a month or so ago, around the time Gideon was born, and I really liked it, so I decided I was gonna get it, and there was cash back on toothbrushes on Ibotta. So I grabbed this. I haven't used it yet. I was waiting to unbox it and to throw out my old one until I did this haul. So very excited about this. This is the Quip brand. It's a cute little toothbrush. Okay, so the last couple things before we get into clothing are going to be these razors. Now this was the thing that really upset me the most, and I know I sound like a Karen, but whew. Okay, so first things first, this package came, if you've ever ordered from Target, things come in different packages even if you say they're not supposed to. So they shipped one box out that had like $120 worth of stuff in it. It got lost. It said it was delivered. It was not. It was signed for by somebody that wasn't me. So I had to spend pretty much like a couple of hours trying to track this package down. Found out that what happened was it actually got returned to Target, and the person that signed for it was a Target worker. So I had to contact Target to get a replacement sent out, and whenever they sent their replacement, they sent me an empty freaking razor box. I got this razor because it was on Ibotta. I got some money back for it, and I wanted to kind of invest in like a nicer razor than the cheaper ones I get. So I got the Skintimate one, but when I opened it, there was no razor in it. It was completely empty except for the little refill here. So then I had to get my money back on that. That was ridiculous because I was really looking forward to that. But Jacob went to Walmart and got one very similar, so super excited about that. And I got the little refills. I'm hoping that these fit because, oh, they should. They're both blue. So hopefully these work, and I will let you know what I think about them. But Target is on my shit list because they really fucked me over with this order. I was ordering it to fill a void in my life, and then everything got all messed up, and then the whole Ibotta thing got messed up too. I had to contact Ibotta. This whole order was all messed up, but that normally doesn't happen. It wasn't Ibotta's fault. It's because there was a replacement and it looked like I returned the item. That's why I didn't get my money back. Anyway, I know I sound like a Karen, but that was very frustrating. Now we're gonna get into the things that I'm super excited about. I got myself some clothing. Target has really cute clothing, and I see a lot of people styling this really cool, and because I was really just looking to spend money, what I did is I just scrolled through the Target style. Like, it shows people using or wearing or whatever from Target. So I went through, I found outfits that I liked, and then I bought the shirts and stuff like that. The first one I got here is this yellow pink Floyd shirt. I kept seeing this and I kept coming back to it, and I decided I was gonna get it. Yellow's my favorite color, and I just love the way this looks. This is a large, extra large, and she's very big on me. I don't know if this was a male shirt or not, but maybe after I wash it and dry it, it will shrink up a little bit. If not, we're gonna be tying it or doing something, because I really think this is super cute. This next piece is something that I got that I was like, this is gonna be a staple. It's gonna work with so many different outfits. A lot of the things that I got here will work with it. Super excited. So what is it? It's a jean jacket, and just a regular jean jacket from Universal Threads. This is in 2X. And it fits me amazingly. I have very broad shoulders, and I have trouble getting these things to fit me, and this one, she fits well. And I'm very excited because that never happens. The next shirt is something I got to go with that jean jacket. It's just a cream V-neck. This is from their Universal Thread line again. Super cute, super basic, and I thought it would go super well underneath that denim jacket. I may do a try-on little portion and show you what that looks like with it, just to see, because I feel like it would look really cute together. The next thing I got looks kind of cropped, but it says MTV. That is what it is. I don't know why my brain just stuttered. This MTV shirt. I got it because I love these little floral details. I just think that's so freaking cute. This would look really great under that jean jacket or by itself with some black ripped jeans. I'm not a style icon. I don't know shit, but I found this to be really cute and I wanted to buy it. So I probably won't do a try on this because it's going to be super hard for me to get on, and I don't want to try to fuss with it right now. But this is just a black bodysuit. Again, cute with that jean jacket, cute with something else over it, or cute by itself. I probably won't wear it by itself because I'm a little insecure, but super excited to have this because I've been really loving some bodysuits, really loving my body lately and being appreciative of it. So let's see if I look good in that and I like it. So this next one is another Universal Threads, just basic V-neck. It is a camo, as you guys can see here. I just bought this because they were having a deal, buy 2 shirts to save some money, and you can always have, I feel like camo is neutral. Leave a comment below if you feel that same way, if it's neutral. I personally feel that it's a neutral, and so I thought it looked great underneath that jean jacket again, or by itself. I have other things that it would go well with. I'm telling you, that jean jacket was a staple purchase. And the last 2 things I got go together, again, from the Universal Thread brand. They were just the best, I guess. It's this sweatshirt set. It comes with pants too that look exactly like this. I'll probably only try on the sweatshirt so that you guys can see that. But I love this color, and I thought since we're staying home, I know COVID quarantine's about to be lifted or whatever, but I'm still probably gonna stay home a lot because I'm a stay-at-home mom and that's what I do. So I just thought this was really cute just to lounge around the house in and be comfy and cozy, and I love the color. The sweatshirt you can wear by itself. It doesn't have to be a loungy thing, but I just thought it was so cute and I wanted to snag it. So that was it for my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I kind of went on a little bit of rant there in the middle, got a little Karen-y. I hope that you guys enjoy. Like I said, please leave a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite thing is that I picked up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.